Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the Dito SIM is active and topped up. You need service first. Once done, go into your phone settings and turn off Volte. This forces non-Volte call handling. Make sure you also set the preferred network to 3G or 2G so your device will fall back. This avoids the phone trying Volte. These steps prepare the device to place a normal circuit-switched call without relying on Volte infrastructure. Now you place the call. Use the phone's dialer and enter the number in the correct local or international format so the network routes it properly. After changing network modes, restart the device to apply settings because many phones need a reboot to re-register. If the phone still tries Volte, manually lock the radio to 3G or 2G using hidden settings or a service menu. That forces circuit-switched call setup rather than IP voice. Finish by placing a test call and listen for connection and audio clarity. You want audible two-way speech and stable signaling. If the call drops or won't connect, swap the SIM into another phone that supports 3G to isolate whether the issue is handset-specific. Make sure to note the IMEI, exact error messages, and steps you tried. If needed, contact Dito support with those details so they can check provisioning or network-side restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.